AIMIM members wanted to hold a rally to commemorate three things, but they were being denied the permission. Let's speak to the petitioners who had approached the court after that, seeking the permission. So what exactly was the issue with which you had come to the High Court?
Madam, we initially had sought a permission to conduct a rally in the city of Baramati on three counts. Firstly, it was the Constitution Day, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad Bharat Ratna commemoration day, and the birth anniversary of Tipu Sultan. Now that was denied for 26th of November. Thereafter, we approached the Honorable Bombay High Court and we requested that let the same rally on these three counts be conducted on the 13th of December. Now, till the petition actually came up for hearing, it was 9th of December, and therefore we again requested that please allow us to conduct that rally on either 24th of December or 28th of December, whichever is convenient to the police. Now, thereafter, even the court expressed that the holding rallies is a fundamental right, and therefore let the police administration take proper decision on that.
You were asked to file a fresh application, and what did the police say on that application?
Yes, now after we filed the fresh application, the police rejected us permission, or if I may correct myself, they said that if at all you want to include Tipu Sultan in your procession, then in that case let it be only in your private property, and we cannot allow you to conduct a rally in Hindu majority area. And it amounts to rather a denial. And that is what we brought to the notice of the Honorable High Court.
But what was the reason for denying it? Was there any ground stated?
The ground stated was this way, that even on the last year, when Tipu Sultan's procession was, birth anniversary procession was taken out, there was some sort of a fight, and as the police say, that there were contesting cross FIRs between this AIMIM and some other groups. And that perhaps was and that is the only reason which has been stated. The police also add that even this year we have received a representation from certain organizations that should you conduct Tipu Sultan's rally, there would be a law and order situation, and that is why police refuse it.
Okay, so after you pointed out to this glaring issue wherein they are asking you to hold it in a private land, what did the court say?
The court is, as far as I understand, as I gauge the court is certain that conducting rallies is very much a part of the fundamental right. At the same time, court is also concerned about the law and order issue which has been raised by the police, and therefore the court, in my understanding, has taken an initiative that rather this being an adversarial litigation as usually it is, let it be a consultative process where the court would preside over things. In that context, the court expressed itself that let the route be amended as whatever apprehensions of police are within Baramati city, of course, and let the petitioner in person have a word with the superintendent of police so that they can finalize the route, so that the court can balance both things, law and order concern as well as the fundamental right of the petitioners.
So the superintendent of police had to appear through video conferencing. What did he say? When will this issue be sorted out? When will you be able to hold the rally?
The superintendent of police sought some time, and he also assured the court that he will either have a word tomorrow itself. Of course, SP is a busy man, so if it is not possible for him to have a word tomorrow, he will certainly ensure that he decides on the issue by day after, that is Saturday. And thereafter, he assured the court that by Tuesday 12:30, when now this matter is fixed, he will come up with a proper decision.
You also pointed out in the court that it should not be that the rally is held outside Baramati. I mean,
Well, the point was this way. The letter which rejected the permission, it read that within city of Baramati it is a Hindu-dominated area, and therefore you conduct it in private place. So I had a certain concern that let under the garb of law and order, the condition not be that you hold procession beyond Baramati. So that is what I expressed myself, that within Baramati, to which the court was quite agreeable. And I would rather reiterate that this is more of a consultative process than a sort of fight, and that would never be the approach at all.
Well, so after this discussion, hopefully before the end of this month, the AIMIM members will be able to hold the rally for this entire issue that they had been pointing out. And unlike last year when the rally could not be held, this time around it will be probably. With cameraman Kiran Sapkal in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.